The TF series of mixers are a perfect choice for making a live recording and for multi-track playback from a computer. TF has a super convenient 2-track recording and playback solution using USB hard drives. You can directly record the signal from any given output bus to a USB hard drive by connecting it to the USB port located on the top panel. Touch the icon in the upper part of the display to show the recorder screen. From the pull-down menu, select the output bus to be recorded and adjust the recording level with the digital gain. Press Record Enable, then press Play to start recording. The recording format is uncompressed 24-bit WAV. To play back music files stored in the USB drive, connect the USB device to the top panel. From the list of songs that appear, select the music file you want to listen to and press play. TF Series supports MP3 and WAV formats at both 44.1 and 48 kHz with a sample rate converter. And one more thing. You can play tracks from an iPad, iPhone or iPod directly to this USB connector. Since Made for iOS is supported, you can hear the songs while charging these devices and not worry about the battery running out. What a lifesaver! Furthermore, TF series mixers are equipped with a USB audio interface that supports 34 channels of input and output. Since a license for Steinberg's DAW software, Cubase AI, is included with the mixers, you can start multi-track recording immediately. 32 input channels and 1 stereo output bus will be transmitted to your PC via the USB connection. All the input channels have a direct output with a choice of 4 pickoff points. Preparation is complete once Cubase AI is installed on the Windows PC or Mac, and the TF Mixer's USB interface is selected as the sound card. This USB interface can be used as the input on various other Windows or Mac DAW packages such as Cubase, Nuendo, and other third-party applications. Likewise, you can feed the multi-track audio from the Cubase AI software to the input channels of the TF mixer. In the patch screen of each input channel, you have a choice of using the analog input or the USB input. You can switch channel by channel or globally. You'll have time to do a cheeky virtual sound check before the gig by using a recording of the band's rehearsal. Don't you just love it how TF makes your life easier and more enjoyable? That's exactly how new technology should be.